Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. In today's video, we're going to be looking at graphing equations. And we're going to be looking at it using slope-intercept method and then just the y and x intercept method. So, first and foremost, let's say we give you the equation 2x minus 3y is equal to 9. Okay? The first thing you'd have to do here is turn it into slope-intercept form. So just like we did in the last video, you want to isolate your y. So you want to put this one to the other side. You can do it any way you wish. I'm going to do it that way. So I'm going to do 2x. I'm going to bring the 9 to the other side. So I'm going to do 2x minus 9 is equal to positive 3y. Divide everything by 3, which is going to leave you with 2 over 3x minus 3 is equal to y. So that would be the equation of this line. This would be my slope. This would be my y-intercept. So how would I graph this? Well, let's do a little grid here. Yes, I do not have a ruler. Sorry. Okay, so you want to start from your y-intercept. So your y-intercept is negative 3, so 1, 2, 3. And then using your slope, 2 over 3 means that you're running 3 to the right, and you're going up by 2. So you're going to the right by 3, so 1, 2, 3, going to the right by 3, and you're going up by 2, so 1, 2. So your next point should be there. Once you have the 2 points, sorry about that, just some students walking in the back. So once you have the 2 points, you have your everything you need to make the line. You just connect the points with a ruler, and that is your line. Okay? So then we're going to be looking at what you would do if you want to do the y and x intercept method. So y and x intercept method. So let's say you're given something like the same thing we did before, 2x minus 3y is equal to 9. The first thing you would do is sub x is equal to 0, solve for y. So if x is 0, that goes away, and you're going to be left with negative 3y is equal to 9, so y is negative 3. So you have a point at 0, negative 3. Then you want to sub y is equal to 0. Solve for x. So that would mean you're going to have 2x is equal to 9, which means x would be equal to 9 over 2. So this means you have a point at 9 over 2 and 0. Once you've done that, you can just graph it. Once again, I don't have a ruler, sorry. I've actually not figured out how to do the ruler option on this. So, you know you have a point at 0, negative 3, so 1, 2, 3. And you have a second point at 9 over 2. Well, 9 divided by 2 is 4.5, so it kind of gives you a bearing. 1, 2, 3, 4, that's 5. Sorry about that. That's the problem with making videos at school. So you have 4, 5. You know it's at 4.5, so it could somewhere be in the middle here. So this is 9 over 2. Once you have the 2, connect them, and you are done. And that is how you graph using both methods. Have a good day.